What's the meaning of chiaroscuro? Chiaroscuro. Chiaroscuro.
Chiaroscuro. Chiaroscuro. Chiaroscuro refers to the use of strong contrasts between light and dark in art or photography. This technique creates depth and dimension in an image by using shadows to highlight areas of brightness, and vice versa. It can be used to create dramatic and moody effects, as well as to draw attention to specific elements within a composition. Chiaroscuro is often associated with the works of artists such as Caravaggio and Rembrandt, and has been used in various art forms throughout history, from painting to film noir.